Hello students, welcome to English language class. Our today's lesson is about prefix and suffix. When I was telling you about the significance of English vocabulary, I had told you that you have to learn a number of words to increase your vocabulary so that you can speak in English and you can write in English. You can understand the spoken word of a speaker. You can understand the words written in a text. So vocabulary is very essential in English language. Now prefix and suffix is a method for formation of new words. By means of prefix and suffix, you can form many new words, and in this way you can compile a lot of new words in your mind. So what is a prefix and what is a suffix? Let me introduce you to these two terms, prefix and suffix. Before I go to the definition of these two words, it's my usual practice to first of all make you acquainted with some examples. There are two columns. To the left column, the examples of prefix are given, and to the right column, examples of suffix are given. Now look here, I am reading all these one by one and you listen. Look, this plus honest is equal to dishonest. What happens here? Honest is a word, it is known to you, honest. Now before honest, three letters DIS are added to the word honest, and when these three letters dis are added to the front of the word honest, a new word dishonest comes into existence. Very simple. Dis is added to honest to make dishonest. Similarly, un is added before happy, before in front of the word happy. Un is added to happy to make the new word unhappy. In is added to the word secure to make a new word insecure. Ill is added to the word legitimate to make the word illegitimate. Similarly, im is added to pure to make the word impure. Now, in these words, if you pay attention to these words very closely, you can see that when this is added to honest, the word dishonest comes into existence, and dishonest is the opposite in meaning to honest. Similarly, unhappy is opposite in meaning to happy. Insecure is opposite to secure. Illegitimate is an antonym of legitimate, and impure is antonym of pure. That is, a negative meaning is derived, a negative meaning is made. So this when added to honest, the word becomes dishonest, and when added to happy becomes unhappy. Now this these are 3 letters and these are 2 letters, the I and in, these are 2 letters. Now come to these two words, over plus flow. When over is added to the front of the word flow, it becomes overflow. When miss is added to deed, the new word misdeed is formed. Now, then what is a prefix? So here is the definition of the prefix. Prefix is a letter or groups of letters. A letter or groups of letter. DIS, these are 3 letters, that is, it is a group of letters. And UN, these are 2 letters, that it is a group of 2 letters. So what is a prefix? Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the front of a word. Added to the front of a word, that is added before a word. Added before a word. Then what is its effect? To change its meaning. To change its meaning. So what is a prefix? Prefix is a letter or a groups of letters that are added before a word. तो यहाँ पर देखिए DIS ये प्रीफिक्स हो गया, अन प्रीफिक्स हो गया, इन प्रीफिक्स हो गया, इल प्रीफिक्स हो गया, इम प्रीफिक्स हो गया. और ये डीज, अन, इन, इल, इम जो है ये ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स है, इसको हम प्रीफिक्स बोलेंगे. और ये किसके साथ ऐड हुआ है? एक वर्ड के साथ. याद रखिए वर्ड, इट इज एडेड टू ए वर्ड. ऑनेस्ट एक वर्ड है, हैप्पी एक वर्ड है, सिक्योर एक वर्ड है. तो जो प्रीफिक्स होता है वो किसी वर्ड से पहले जो है उसको हम जोड़ते हैं. अच्छा, जोड़ने के नतीजे में क्या होता है? इसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. और क्या होता है? अ न्यू वर्ड इज फॉर्म. तो प्रीफिक्स का फंक्शन क्या हुआ? प्रीफिक्स is used for the formation of a new word. Prefix is used to change the meaning. To change the meaning of a word. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं dis, an, in, il, im, ये जो यहाँ पर जो 5 है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. उसी तरह से एक और वर्ड है ir प्लस जैसे irregular. irregular, ठीक है. इन प्लस रेगुलर, इरेगुलर. इर इज एडेड बिफोर रेगुलर, सो इट इज इर इज ए प्रीफिक्स. अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि इर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 prefixes, these six prefixes are called negative prefixes. इसको क्या हम बोलते हैं? नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्सेस. याद रखिएगा, इन, डिस, अन, इन, इल, इम, इसे हम नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्सेस कहते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज दे गिव द नेगेटिव मीनिंग. जैसे रेगुलर का नेगेटिव, रेगुलर IR प्लस रेगुलर, इरेगुलर होने से इरेगुलर, ये नेगेटिव हो गया. नॉट रेगुलर, नॉट ऑनेस्ट, नॉट हैप्पी, नॉट सिक्योर, नॉट लेजिटिमेट, नॉट प्योर. तो नेगेटिव, नॉट लगने से नेगेटिव हो जाता है. तो याद रखिएगा, इन, डिस, अन, इन, इल, इम, दीज आर नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्सेस एंड नेगेटिव प्रीफिक्सेस गिव नेगेटिव मीनिंग. सो ऑल दिस वाज अबाउट प्रीफिक्स. तो व्हाट इज ए प्रीफिक्स? प्रीफिक्स इज ए लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ. याद रखिएगा, प्रीफिक्स कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है. प्रीफिक्स कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है. प्रीफिक्स या तो एक लेटर हो सकता है या ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स होगा, ये कोई वर्ड नहीं है. अब प्रीफिक्स को हम ऐड करते हैं किसी वर्ड के साथ. अच्छा, जिस वर्ड में प्रीफिक्स को ऐड किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड रूट वर्ड. उसको हम रूट वर्ड कहते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर रेगुलर, ऑनेस्ट, हैप्पी, सिक्योर, लेजिटिमेट, प्योर, दीज आर रूट वर्ड्स. ठीक है, ये हुआ प्रीफिक्स के बारे में. नाउ कम टू सफिक्स. Now I am reading all these words written here. Now king plus ly is equal to kingly. Now what happens here? The word is king. ly is added at the end of the word king. ly जो है, ly is added at the end of king, it becomes kingly. ठीक है. move plus meant, meant is added at the end of the word move, new word movement is formed. marry, marry is the word, age is added at the end of the word marry, now it becomes marriage. dirt, dirt is a word, now y is added at the end of dirt, and the new word comes into existence, that is dirty. black plus en, blacken, blacken means to make something black, n is added at the end of black, blacken. Similarly, book plus let, booklet, let is added at the end of the word book. And similarly, grow plus th, third, the th is added at the end of grow, and the new word growth is formed. So what do we see here? As it was in prefix, so it is in suffix. What are the two common things in suffix and prefix? In prefix, in suffix also, a letter or group of letters are added, but here they are added at the end of the word. In the prefix, letter or group of letters were added before the word. In suffix, letter or group of letters are added after the word, बाद में इसको जोड़ा जाता है. तो ly, meant, age, y, enn, let, th, all these are suffix. So what is the definition of suffix? Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word. Remember word, word में हम ऐड करते हैं. सफिक्स भी कोई वर्ड नहीं है, सफिक्स लेटर है या ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स है. प्रीफिक्स इज ऑल्सो अ लेटर और ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स. ओके, तो सफिक्स is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make another word. यहाँ पर कोई मीनिंग चेंज नहीं हो रहा. देखो प्रीफिक्स में यहाँ पर क्या होता है, मीनिंग चेंज हो गया था. When prefix is added to a word, meaning is changed. But here, meaning is not changed. Rather, a new word is formed. A new word is formed. Here also new word is formed, and here also new word is formed. So what do we see? Prefix and suffix are used for formation of new words, and in this way you can enrich your vocabulary. So prefix, suffix and the word is called the root word. Now I am going to write on the board some words. You have to just isolate, you have to tell which is prefix, which is suffix, and which is the root word. So I am going to give you a task here. Now here is a question given. Find out the root, prefix and suffix from the words given below. Understanding, incomprehensible, definitely, known, unemployment, discovered, enjoyable, unseen, leaflet, discontinue, embolden, irrevocable, hospitality. So these are the words. My duty is to sort out prefix, suffix and root. In other words, we have to find out in the words given which is prefix, which is suffix and which is the root word. So let's take word let's check one word by one word. Understanding. Understanding. Under prefix, sorry. Under prefix ing suffix stand is the root word. So understanding, incomprehensible, in IBLE, that is suffix, in is prefix, and the root word will be comprehend. So when in is added before and IBL is added at the end, the word becomes incomprehensible. Definitely. So definite is the root word and ly is suffix, no prefix. Known. No is the root word, n is suffix, no prefix. Unemployment. So employ is the root word, un is prefix, unemployment, ment is suffix. Discovered. Cover is the root word, dis is prefix, discover, and ed is the suffix. Enjoyable. Joy, root word, n, prefix, enjoy, able, able is the suffix. Unseen, see is the root word, un is prefix, and n is suffix. So see, root word, un, prefix, n, suffix. Unseen. Now I am deleting some words, or I am telling you no need to delete these words. I am telling you verbally, just listen. Discontinue. Continue is the root word, dis is prefix. Embolden. I can write this word, embolden. Bold is root word, embolden, or en, that is suffix. Irrevocable. Revoke, revoce, revoke is the root word, ir is prefix, able suffix. Hospitality, hospital root, ity is the suffix. So in this way, if you have a big word which is a mixture of prefix and suffix, you can separate prefix and suffix from the root word in this way. So this task was given to you to enable you to separate suffix, prefix from a word which has the combination of prefix and suffix. Now let's see some more examples of prefixes and suffix. Now here are some more examples of prefixes are given. In this list, meaning of prefixes are also given. I am reading one by one. It means on, in. For examples, a bed, a shore, a board. For, it means before. For examples, forecast, foretell. In, it means in. Examples, income, inland, inlay. Miss, it means wrong. Misdeed, misconduct, mislead. Over, it means beyond, overflow, overtime, overnight. Un, it means to reverse an action. For examples, undo, untie, unfold. Under, it means beneath, below. Examples, undergo, underground, underwear. By, it means two or twice. Bisect, binoculars, bicycle. Circum, it means around. Circumscribe, you circumscribe a circle in geometry. Circumnavigate. Circumnavigate means to go around the world. Counter, it means against. Countersign, counteract. Arch, it means chief. Arch enemy, archbishop, archangel. Auto, it means self. Autobiography, autograph. Homo, it means similar or like. Homogeneous, homologous. You have read homologous chromosomes in life science. Some more examples of prefixes and their meaning and their use in word. Demi, it means half, demigod. Ex, it means out of. Ex-minister, ex-president. Inter, it means among. For example, intercaste marriage, interfaith dialogue. None, it means not or absent. It's nonsense, an absence of sense. Non-existent. Non-violence means absence of violence. Pre, it means before. Prepaid, pre-test, pre-quarter, pre-war, prehistoric. Post, post means after. Post-paid, post-lunch, post-war, post-mortem. Re, it means back, again. Refund, renew, recover. Semi, it means half. Semicircle, semi-final, semicolon. Hemi, it means half. For example, hemisphere, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, you have read in geography. Ante, it means before, in front of. Anteroom, antenatal, antedate. Anti, against. Anti-social, anti-national, anti-clockwise. Now come to suffix. Here these suffixes are given. These suffixes are used to form abstract nouns. Dom, for example, freedom, wisdom, martyrdom, kingdom. Hood, childhood, boyhood, manhood. Ness, kindness, boldness, darkness. Red, kindred, hatred. Ship, kingship, friendship, hardship, lordship. Tha, health, wealth, stealth, growth. Why? Healthy, wealthy, noisy. Now some more examples of suffixes. Now these suffixes are used to form adjectives. For example, nation. The suffixes are given in the middle. These are the suffixes. These are the main word. For example, al is added to nation and becomes national. Some more examples: rational, proportional. Glory plus ous, glorious, famous, notorious, courageous. Act plus iva, active, passive, narrative, attentive, retentive. Patriot plus ik, patriotic, heroic, artistic, tragic, economic. Story plus ical, historical, logical. Tradition plus traditional, social, political, cultural. Wire plus less, wireless, helpless, jobless, helpless, etc. Mission plus ARY, missionary, visionary. Event plus full, eventful, houseful, helpful. Honor plus ABLE, able, honorable, probable, sociable. Audio plus IBLE, audible, horrible, terrible. So these are the suffixes which are added at the end of the word to form these words. Some more examples of suffixes. Decide plus ION, decision, suspicion. Admit plus SION, admission. Correct plus ION, collection, calculation, attraction. Safe plus TY, safety, reality, purity. Memory plus ISE, memorize, criticize, sympathize. Look at these suffixes, okay? Black plus EN, blacken, widen, quicken, lengthen. Simple plus IFY, simplify, purify, classify, beautify. Marry plus age, marriage, mileage, leakage, postage. Boy plus ISH, boyish, selfish, foolish, childish. Bio plus logy, biology, zoology, sociology. Pay plus ment, payment, movement, judgment, etc. Gold plus N, golden, wooden, silken. Dirt plus Y, dirty, rosy, snowy. So these are the suffixes which are added when they are added to these words come into existence. So all this was about prefix and suffix. I hope you have got the lesson well. Thank you very much.